Hi guys, and welcome to the very first unboxing on Illustrator, as well as welcome to the unboxing for my new tarot card deck. I'm really excited about this one because I've had it for like 2 days, but um, it's also been very difficult to open it because I wanted it to be special. So I got my tarot card deck from Folio Stationery, and it's a stationery shop as well as a bookstore that is in Borodale, Village Walk if you're in Zimbabwe, Harare. But if you're in any other part of the world, you can also get this very same tarot deck on Amazon or in your local bookshop or magic store. So this deck isn't exactly like I expected, but I'm still super satisfied with it because I had done a lot of background search on this since now I'm trying to venture into tarot, and I love the size. It's pretty big, pretty thick, as you can see, and quite large compared to regular playing cards. I just threw in my boyfriend cards right there for context. As you can see, they are very large compared to the regular cards that we're used to, and that's a plus for me because I think I would love cards that just sort of fit into my hands. So this is perfect compared to these ones that you can hold with like the little itty bitty parts of your fingers. So I'm pretty satisfied with the size overall and all. Alright, so here we go. Let's just remove this. Yikes, it's very tight. Alright, hang on. Okay, so this is the jam that I'm in. It's very tightly packed, which I love because it makes me feel like I am opening up a birthday present. Oh my god, it is so shiny. Can you see that? It is so shiny. Look at the shimmer. It's so exciting. Oh my gosh. So some little background information about these cards. The original ones were created around the 1900s, which means that I'm holding in my hand a part of the past, and which is going to help in the past in the future. It's so shiny, I can't help it. It's like glass. All right, now let's get into them. Wow, the people that package this make sure that it is very tight. Oh my god, there's another packaging. See, that's it. Nothing else in the box. Now, let's put that right there. Okay, so these are the cards, and it looks like they come with a little instruction, little booklet. So the folio shopkeeper did tell me that there would be a little instruction booklet. I'm pretty excited about that. I was hoping though that it would have like a little pouch, because I don't think I want to walk around carrying around the box everywhere I go. But I mean, this is pretty neat. They're all like the same length. The person who really cut this out was so precise, and I like that. Okay, so I will tell you something. You will need to have something sharp so that you can get to every part of this tarot card deck, because I've been there not playing around with this plastic packaging. I'm gonna get my pencil again. I'm not sure if this is allowed, but I did notice that if you rub it out a bit, the plastic actually comes off. So guys, it feels amazing to have these in my hands. I'm gonna tell you that. All right, so for it to make sense, let's start with the little booklet. Okay, so this is a very tiny book. I have, I think, average sized hands. Ooh, I love this. See that? It's like a snake that eats itself. I wonder the symbolism that could be behind that, but it's pretty neat. I like it. Okay, so inside they have all that information I was telling you about, the history of the card deck, sorry. And it looks like it also gives you a lot of information about the major and minor arcana which is part of what it's part of the deck. I'm still learning, and it looks like it has all um, the parts of the cards of the deck. Looks like I have a lot of reading to do from such a tiny, sweet, knowledgeable book. All right, and now for the cards. Oh, this is so fascinating. So it says the original Rider Waite tarot deck. I love that they have this card, which doesn't have anything on it, but it's like a little wow to the whoa. Okay, so let's put that there, and here we go. Oh my god, this is so exciting. I have been experimenting with tarot on the internet, so all these cards are pretty familiar to me. I've been seeing them for a while and experimenting with them. Ooh, pretty morbid, right? I'm so excited about this. I did not think, however, that the cards would be this many and they literally slide out of your hands. So, looks like we lost the light, but I think we could work with that for now. So, this is a card that has information about Pamela. She is the artist that painted, and yeah, she painted all these from the original cards. As you can see, it's getting really dark now, so now I'm gonna have to stop the video, but I'm glad that we did that unboxing for the Rider Waite tarot card deck. It's pretty exciting. I'm pretty excited about this whole journey, and at some point I hope that I will be able to do readings for some of you guys. But for now, I am going to have to learn and pay attention. So yes, this is the tarot card deck um, unboxing, and I really hope that you enjoyed this as much as I did. I will see you in the next video. Bye bye. Oh yes, and one more thing. If you would like to see more of these videos and all the wonderful things that I'm going to end up doing with this tarot card deck, don't forget to subscribe. I usually forget to say that, but don't forget to subscribe so that you can keep up with me keeping up. All right, see you in the next one. Bye bye.